Hey guys, this is Harshit from Tech Undone, and today let's unbox this Apple Pencil first generation. Let's get started. So here we have the box for the Apple Pencil first generation. I got this one because my iPad supports first generation. Opening the plastic wrap around the box, here we have the Apple Pencil branding to the side and Apple Pencil up front. Sliding open the box, here first we get a top insert which contains the documents which we'll be getting into further. Beneath that we have the Apple Pencil itself. So opening the documentation, here we have the Apple Pencil beneath the top insert, and now let's get to the top insert. So opening the contents of the top insert, here first we have the extra tip for Apple Pencil and a charger connecting dock, using which the iPad is connected to the Apple Pencil to charge the Apple Pencil, with which we get some manuals and documentation. Taking out the Apple Pencil itself, here I have it in the white color and it's the only color available in the Apple Pencil. As you can see, it reminiscens a pencil a lot, and it's a proprietary styler designed by Apple for the iPad. Thank you for watching this quick unboxing. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. Signing off.